Hello Gundam fans, Glenn here at Metro Hobbies at Box Hill store. I've got some great classic Master Grade Bandai model kits from Gundam right here. They've come back into stock now. These go back as far as the 90s, so these are real true classics. So let's take a look at these babies. Our first one, we have 00 Gundam 7 Sword. This one is a great kit and great artwork too. Again, Gundam 00 series, we have the Razor, another great kit and good artwork too, and I do like that. From the Gundam Seed series, we have Destiny Gundam, so if you're looking for something with wings, this one's your answer. Really nice kit. Built one of these a few years ago and it goes together really well. From the original Gundam TV series, we have the Principality of Zeon's MS3 GOG. Okay, these are both, and of course Kyrios also, both underwater kits. Again, amazing colors, and they're really big, and they're also kind of cute as well, because I do like them. Okay, and of course one of my favorites is the Echo. Now this one is really cool, and again this is almost the same size as the GOG, so it's pretty much out there, and it does look so cool, and I just love it. And like this, it's kind of cute. And again from the 90s, another classic Zeon kit, the Golf. Now this kit is a great kit. I built one of these quite a few years ago and they go together really well, even for their age, are excellent. And this won't last, this will go really quickly. It's also a fan favorite. And of course, we've got the Cigar. Now this is also one of my favorite and lovely colors. Of course, this is Shah's classic one, and it is a legendary kit, again from the late 90s, and a nice model. And of course, this one is from the original TV series as well. And one of the biggest MG kits on the market is this Virtue right here. This one is also legendary, and it is a damn nice kit. Let's take a look at all that detail right there, guys. It is magnificent. Also included with this kit is a Gundam Nardley included as well, which is another little one inside this model as well, which is also pretty damn cool. So guys, we've got a lot of stock back in from our Gundam range of stuff. We have got Pokemon, we have got Master Grades, we have got Gundam Seed, we've got RG, we have got high grades down the end, our high grade Universal Century, which is fantastic. So please come down, check the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because it's not going to last. Until next time, stay safe.